up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another reaction video for Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just nations in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to the bros up in Sydney, ONEFOUR, and they just dropped the track Round 4 and it's called Home and Away. It always reminds me of the show, eh? Home and Away. Summer B, no.
Morrig.
No, you're Morrig. No, you're Alpha. So we're siblings.
Oh.
If you're new to our channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And if y'all want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to get notified on when we upload videos for you guys. I'm now heading on to our poly businesses. Don't forget fams, PolyMovement, support our poly brands. We have here Ilche based in Brisbane. Yeah, they have different colours. For today I usually wear red, but mum got me some black gear as well, so definitely rocking the black today. So check them out on Facebook, Instagram and a website as well. We have it in the description box for you guys to check out. Thank you to the whole lot of you guys that have requested. Appreciate it heaps. You guys have just been spamming for us to react to ONEFOUR, so here it goes. I guess let's just hope we don't disappoint, or especially me. Let's go. Mount Druitt. It looks like, yeah.
Clover Park.
Damn.
Yeah, I grew up in Melbourne, that's home of the brave. Out here we are war with the cops like brats, but this ain't home and away. I didn't go around all those beaches, but I still got birds at the bay. Pull up, bang, spray, do up, gang, run in. Give me that code to the state.
Oh, before we get in touch, man, do you know what song this reminds me of? It reminds me of Sid Diamond and David Dallas's Southside Clip B, or Because of You, Savage and Spawn Breezy. Damn. We've never been to Mount Druitt. Where there was a chance we were about to, but man, definitely looks similar to home, I reckon, but probably more. This was something I really didn't know what to expect, especially with the title. I've seen that on Instagram too. JD is a dog. I'm not too sure who that is.
Jack Daniels.
Yeah, the JDs.
I just go back in that game.
Damn.
The beginning looked like Clover Park.
Yeah,
the back of no, Ravenna Way and Chorizo, those ones.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Yeah. Can we start from the beginning? Oh man. Just reminds me of home.
Next time say please, eh?
Oh please.
Getting sound
please,
like those people who request.
Let's go. Looks like home, man.
Not that bad.
Yeah. The dogs too.
And with the brave.
Yeah, I grew up in Melbourne, that's home of the brave. Out here we are war with the cops like brats, but this ain't home and away. I didn't go around all those beaches, but I still got birds at the bay. Pull up, bang, spray, do up, gang, run in. Give me that code to the state, smack that hole in the face. No regrets for the work I mashed, cause I can go any day. Cops just want me in chains, smoke that kush for the pain. Looking back at them days in the yard, that old front line in the rain.
Damn. Already head on to it, eh? Smoke that kush for the pain. And what else did he say?
I'm stuck on a kush.
Yeah.
It's true. I mean, yeah, I gotta admit, I've done it.
Yeah. Just to get away from reality.
Yeah, it's just
stress reliever, something to forget.
That's our excuse, yeah. Yeah, but yeah. How deep is this, eh?
Definitely home of the brave, eh? From what I've been hearing about Mount Druitt being pretty notorious.
Just like Otara.
And how they're saying they're fighting the cops and stuff like that.
Yeah, not notorious, but
yeah, it reminds me so much of home, like honestly, Otara, man.
I can't stop. I'm gonna keep
gang, run in. Give me that code to the state, smack that hole in the face. No regrets for the work I mashed, cause I can go any day. Cops just want me in chains, smoke that kush for the pain. Looking back at them days in the yard, that old front line in the main.
That's deep. How he said, like he could go any day.
Yeah.
So he's living the moment.
Yeah. And I love that it's in black and white because it really shows.
It has that feel about
Yeah.
it.
As we always say, it's definitely a way to set the tune.
Okay.
Yeah, that old front line in the main. Fuck that talk, just blow him away. Bang it, throw that pole in the drain. Now don't say too much on the point, cause I don't want these first knowing my name. This is me, home of the brain, my actions come with no one to blame. I love my life, but I'll throw it away if they try to test my love for the game. Yeah, I grew up in Mad, that's home of the brain. That's home of the brain. We are wrong with the cops like bracks, but this ain't home and away. I didn't go around all those beaches, nah, but I still got bros at the bay. Hey, free them up, break, spray, do that, gang. Can shout at a bit more dick and ways. One day that's home of the gang. Took my first out in the back of the block, but that's what made me a man. Everything that I do is illegal, from the odds my intentions are evil. And I take the fight from my people, king of the ring like Willie and Regal.
Damn, it almost sounds like they're explaining themselves.
Yeah, 100%.
It almost sounds like
you're saying
remorse.
Yeah. But also at the same time they're just talking about they throw their life away. Like how you're saying he'll throw his life away just to prove he's true to the gang and the street life and all that jazz. I'm definitely finding JM's a bit easier to understand than Spinny at the moment, even though he's just started. But
Spinny's got that husky.
Yeah. It's like he's spitting two words into one that sound the same. I don't know how to explain it, but he's connecting his words and it sounds like one word, but it's probably two.
The accent.
Yeah.
Oh, the vibe.
Yeah. The beat they chose, man, I got goosebumps, man.
King of the ring like Willie and Regal. Every day that it's FC Nash, FTP to the man he popping back on the streets. Free up Lex, free up P, for the gang I stay doing a T. Free up pigs, that's my...
There's someone that look like YP in there.
He's not out yet.
No. Wait till you see.
Willie and Regal. Every day that it's FC Nash, FTP to the man he popping back on the streets. Free up Lex.
Oh.
True.
Did you see? He looked like YPA, that guy that was just before this.
I thought you were going to say JM's.
Oh,
they're like brothers.
Yeah. Damn. At least it's another brother.
FTP to the man he popping back on the streets. Free up Lex, free up P, for the gang I stay doing a T. Free up pigs, that's my bro. Free up the whole of the GSO. We do not talk like we stick to the code. That's rule number one when we step on the word like shh. Talk to me nice. On God, if you fuck with the options, we'll get got. Put that on my life. All the times that they switched up, and how many times did they pay that price?
Yo, sorry I'm pausing this, but man, did you hear that? That was bad.
No, I'm still stuck on the hush hush.
Yeah.
Like Bucks does
Yeah,
that in his
yeah,
post.
yeah.
He always says hush hush.
Yeah, it definitely reminds. Yeah, this guy looks like YP a little bit. Damn. Wait, listen, this part.
Free up P, for the gang I stay doing a T. Free up pigs, that's my bro. Free up the whole of the GSO. We do not talk like we stick to the code. That's rule number one when we step on the word like shh. Talk to me nice. On God, if you fuck with the option, we'll get got. Put that on my life. All the times that they switched up, and how many times did they pay that price? Home with the brave lad, I don't wanna have to say that shit twice. Yeah, I grew up in Mad, that's home of the brain. That's home of the brain. We are wrong with the cops like bracks, but this ain't home and away. I didn't go around all those beaches, nah, but I still got bros at the bay. Hey, free them pull up, break, spray, do that, gang. Yeah, I grew up in Mad, that's home of the brain. That's home of the brain. We are wrong with the cops like bracks, but this ain't home and away. I didn't go around all those beaches, nah, but I still got bros at the bay. Hey, free them pull up, break, spray, do that, gang.
For me, growing up in Mountie, that's home, you know. All the bullshit aside, all the
How is it finishing?
still home. I won't let no one talk down on Mountie. That's where I'm from, that's where my heart's at. True. Fuck the soldiers in our DNA, wait until my fucking blood. All these trials and tribulations and that, nah. That's what made us who we are today, the men we are today. I'm the thing on the way. But I'm a fucking soldier because I'm a fucking Mountie.
Damn.
Welcome to prison.
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn. They got me tearing up, eh? For some reason it just reminded me of like brothers that are back home in Otara. Like, man, this was a home me. Like honestly, this whole track just reminds me of Southside, the track.
And I don't know, you guys may disagree, but listening in on that reminds me of Otara.
Yeah.
Even from the beginning.
Yeah, from the beginning. And then they sing Home of the Brave.
Otara.
Oh yeah, sorry, Home of the Brave, and then they sing Home is where the heart is. Like they're just saying all the things that, you know, hit home for us with Otara, you know. And like the boys I see in here, like the brothers I see back in Otara, and it's just similar lifestyle. Eh? Can't even talk properly. I feel like I won't be able to listen to this without crying. Like,
we have an attachment to it somehow.
Yeah.
Just
once you have an emotional connection with a song, like nothing can beat that. It's not about bars and all that jazz. It's about the story behind it. Like if you can connect with it.
I just want to hear it from ONEFOUR and J-Lex because somehow it has more meaning.
Yeah.
I know I'm not condoning the beef in there, but I understand where they're coming from because we're from Otara, you know,
We've
from
seen
Auckland.
It, like, yeah. Like, you know, I feel like every country has, and every state has their place that is like Mount Druitt, that is like Otara, that is like Porirua, and you know, all that jazz, or like Carson, you know, every country or island in this world has a place like that.
Yeah.
And now the little kids in there got me.
No way the comment sections
Blowing up,
spamming hard
as
out.
just something else.
And I see them trying to explain themselves, the reason why they're doing what they do, and God,
they've committed themselves to that life because they've grown up in it. And it's all they know, and of course they'll devote their life to, you know, brothers that have had their back since, you know, since times, you know, since days where they felt down and out and stuff like that. Those people are probably the only people that were there for them.
This is the reason why we still, like, there's so many times where we'll just almost give up reacting to any drill, any ONEFOUR or any 21 district. Anyone associated with these two because of the violence that comes in it. But there's always something like this that just hits us, and you know, we just think, oh no, because they have a story to tell, just like 21 District has a story to tell. We don't condone violence, we don't condone shivs and shanks and stuff like that. I mean, we're all old and ugly enough to know good from bad. Yeah. But this, it just...
It was nice to see an insight of what Mount Druitt is and what it's like, and actually what it looks like, because it really does look like home.
We never been there.
100%. And you know what I love is, like, you guys aren't trying to leave it, you guys are more trying to sort of make
better
it, impact. In a sense, better it, like, you know what I mean?
In a way, protect it.
Yeah, protect it at the same time. Like,
protect those who are in it that can't leave.
Yeah.
Maybe. And
they sort of, like, as they're saying a lot throughout the video, you know, they're fighting the cops, and I guess they stay there because, you know, they want to protect their people, they want to fight against, you know, the system.
You know, it's a 10 for me.
100%. Like, I'm speechless, eh? Like, don't even do a track like this again. And come down and smack all of you guys. The visuals are no-brainer 10. The beat no-brainer 10, especially when Spinny sort of cut back, said hush hush, and then it just came back in smooth, and then it really intensified the mood of the song and what he was talking about, and then how it sort of ended off with the kids walking throughout the grass, man. Woo! Every country, every city and all that jazz has their home of the brave. Like in Brisbane, how Vic says Inala's home of the brave. No doubt about that. America, home of the brave, there's home of the brave there.
But Otara's original.
Yeah. Otara's number one. Don't argue with me, eh? Otara, and then
it's gonna be 1-4 against 274 soon.
Yeah. You guys win. You guys take the cup. But man, shout out to all the brothers and sisters doing it tough in Mount Druitt, or just any place around the world that's really doing it tough. You know, don't give up. But yeah, don't forget, fams, please support the bros ONEFOUR, subscribe to their channel, follow them on their socials, keep updated on...
Give them some positive messages.
Yeah, 100%. And they do have merch as well that they've just released. So yeah, also don't forget firms, PolyMovement, PolyBusinesses. Please support our firms Ilche here based in Brisbane. Check out the Instagram, Facebook and website for more gear and all that. But yeah, much love, stay safe. And see you with these baggy eyes in the next video. Bye.